Look at that view, guys. I still can't get over how freaking awesome it is that a building is shaped like a guitar. I love it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Thanks so much for pressing play. Today's Saturday. You know what that means. We are going to do a shop update Saturday. So let's walk in and see what's different from last week. All right, guys, so walking in from the shop, we still have the sign up there. We are still working on possibly getting a bigger one, but we have some cool cars in the shop today and as of this entire week. And we're gonna start right here with the G-Wagon. So one of the customers actually reached out to us from the XPEL website and wanted to get some ceramic window tint on this G-Wagon. So we hooked them up with some XPEL XR Plus, and that is, of course, the biggest heat rejection window tint that XPEL offers. But while he was here, he also decided to go ahead and stealth wrap this baby. So this has the XPEL Stealth paint protection film on it because this is one of the Magna series Mercedes paint jobs. So it's already kind of a matte finish. So in order to keep that matte, you can't actually use just regular XPEL Ultimate Plus because it will turn it to gloss. So luckily for us, XPEL designed a specific kind of paint protection film that keeps matte. And that's what we did here. So this is pretty much done. There's a little bit of touch-up work that still has to be done by Josh or Patrick, but for the most part, this thing is about ready to go. And right after it's done getting fully expelled, Patrick is then going to ceramic coat it to give it that extra layer of protection. But anyway, moving on, we have the star of the show right here. He is actually ceramic coating the Cadillac Escalade. So this one actually had just the hood or the full front, Patrick?
Full front clip.
Okay, so the full front clip of XPEL paint protection on this one of course got the gloss paint protection, and then Patrick is ceramic coating the entire vehicle. So he's in the process now of perfecting that black paint before putting on the top layer of ceramic coating to lock it all in. Now right beside that we have a Toyota Tacoma. This is actually a subscriber of mine. He brought his truck in, he wanted to get the orange paint perfected, and then of course ceramic coated. I'm gonna throw in some before and after shots of this one because Patrick freaking nailed it. He hit a home run on this one and it looks absolutely fantastic. So guys, check out the wheels. I gotta show you the before and after because they did not look like that whenever the truck was first dropped off. The orange seriously pops on this thing now. You guys know I'm a fan of the Chevy Colorado trucks. I'm not a huge fan of the Tacomas, but this one is set up really nicely. My subscriber really has this thing dialed in. Apparently it's on a 4-inch lift, and he obviously added the fender flares, looks like maybe bushwhackers. There's a lot of chrome on it. The wheels fit in this thing just absolutely perfectly. Like, that's pretty much the amount of poke I like on my trucks, and it looks really, really good. I mean, check out this paint. Check out that reflection. It's like a mirror. I love it. So like I said, guys, Patrick nailed it on this one. It looks fantastic. The new Cadillac Escalade, believe it or not, brand new, the paint was not in the greatest condition. So you guys know a lot of people buy new cars and they automatically think that the paint doesn't need anything because it's brand new. But in this case, this thing was brand new and it needed a lot of paint correction before it was ready to go.
You want to bring them in a little bit? We can kind of show them what we're looking at.
Yeah, so Patrick's gonna show us what I'm talking about. Where can we see it?
So this car's brand new.
Oh, wow, look at
that. 1,000 miles on it. And you can see this thing's definitely been washed incorrectly.
Wow. So guys, this is on the passenger side, and Patrick already did the driver's side. So let's see the driver's side now.
Yep. We have a big imperfection right here in the paint.
That's crazy. So now the same thing on the driver's side. You can see no swirl marks of any kind. So typically they kind of look like spider webs almost. They've been buffed out of this. So right after those are taken care of, Patrick will of course go ahead and put down some ceramic coating that will basically help lock it into place. And it will also make this black paint look like a mirror. So that's what's coming next for this one. Now you guys have already seen the Lamborghini a couple times. It is going to be picked up either today or tomorrow, I think Josh said. But this one's good to go, it is done. Patrick ceramic coated this, that was the final step. We have put XPEL Ultimate Plus all over the car, so the entire thing is protected. The windshield's protected. The windows have XPEL XR Plus window tint, and then of course Patrick just ceramic coated it with the Fusion Plus, and it is looking really, really good. So those are the cars we have in here right now. We have 4 different vehicles, all of them getting some sort of XPEL product put on it. It's fantastic, guys. The business is booming. So if you want to get something done with your car here in the Hollywood, Miami, Fort Lauderdale area, definitely check out the link below. I will have all of our contact information, the phone number and the address. Feel free to stop by. But guys, it's not a shop update Saturday unless we're actually talking about some shop updates as well. So I'm going to take you through and show you some new stuff that we've done to the shop, and maybe some stuff that's been done but I forgot to show in the last video. So let's walk through and see what's new. So Patrick is actually holding one of our newest additions. We have, what, 2 different polishers from Griot's, right?
Yeah, our other one's back ordered.
All right,
we
so
have the G8, which is the 3-inch, but you can also put a 2-inch backing plate on it. Then we have the G9. We're still waiting on our G15 to come in, but it is back ordered.
Okay, so guys, we got some polishers. We got some polishing compound. We got, what else? What else we got,
We
Patrick?
got pads, lots and lots of pads. You want to see some pads? Let's show you some pads.
The YouTube channel goes crazy for polishing pads, right, guys?
This is the pad drawer.
This is the pad drawer, guys. So all of the pads we're gonna need for polishing your paint to perfection, Patrick's got it. He's got it locked down.
We've got some 2-inch ones down there. They didn't make the cut in the drawer, but they're still in the box looking pretty.
All right, yeah, we got some correction cream down here from Griot's. It's ready to go, guys. And then of course we have all of these items stored in the cabinet over here. We got our XPEL Fusion up at the top, which is the ceramic coating. All the boxes for the new buffing pads that we have ready for your ceramic coatings. All of the towels, all of the brand new towels from the Rag Company, guys. These things are absolutely fantastic. I love those towels. I use those in my own garage, and why not use them here as well? So this is just all of the extras that don't necessarily go anywhere else but in a cabinet. It's all loaded, it's ready to go. These are the things that we have to have ready at the drop of a hat for any kind of paint correction or even XPEL installations. And then of course over here we have the plotter all set up, ready to cut some XPEL Stealth. One last piece to go on the G-Wagon, and that is the driver's side door right here. So that's what the plotter's all good for. It will literally cut that pattern out so we can just slap it right on the car, and it is good. One of the newest additions to the shop, literally just arrived yesterday, is the race ramps. So guys, you know I use race ramps in my home garage all the time for maintaining my C7 ZR1, and these things are great. So they are just as useful in a shop for getting the cars up off the floor and all that stuff, but the rest of this is coming here very soon. Race Ramps has hooked me up and sent out a set of these to the shop, so we can have the same kind of ease of installation that I do at home in my garage. Over here, we're still waiting on the pressure washer. I promise, guys, I did order it. It is on back order for some reason, but once it comes in, it is gonna look absolutely gorgeous right in this area here. Stay tuned for that. Walking back through the customer waiting area, we have the TVs all set up with, of course, the Blackout tinting stuff. So it is constantly playing something related to Blackout tinting, talking about products, talking about installations. It is to keep kind of the dead air to a minimum. So guys, I think I showed you in the last one, the customer area here. We got the chairs, the little table. This was Patrick's edition right here, a little table. We got a TV over here for if anybody's in here, they can turn that thing on, sit their laptops over here while they're waiting for their cars, and of course, enjoy all of the literature. Let you know what kind of XPEL window tint you can get, what the differences are, how it's gonna look, all that good stuff. Yeah, I guess that's pretty much it, guys. I think for the most part, everything else was here last time we talked about this shop update. So today was more about the cars, but like I said, this will be something that's happening every Saturday. Say hi, Patrick.
Hello.
All right, guys, so that is gonna do it for today's video. If you liked what you saw, please smash that thumbs up button. Like I said, this is gonna be something I'm gonna be doing every Saturday, updating you guys, letting you know what's in the shop and what we've done to the shop. I really enjoy bringing you guys along for this business adventure of mine, and I really appreciate all the feedback I've gotten on the last video. You guys are great. Thank you so much for being such supporters of this channel. It really helps out. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do. I'm gonna have loads of content like this and all kinds of car content coming you are not gonna wanna miss. And as always, guys, I will catch you in the next one.